Hey all, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you the RAF Nexus adjustable cartridge grips and disposable tubes from Tassol. So let's take a closer look. The RAF Nexus grips have been ergonomically designed by Tassol to offer increased comfort to our artists during tattooing sessions. These polymer grips cater to tattoo artists who prefer to work with a wider selection of grip options. In addition, the increased grip pattern coverage on the Nexus grips adds even more comfort and control. RAF Nexus grips are compatible with Cheyenne type cartridges, and you can adjust the needle protrusion of your cart via a simple click mechanism. Furthermore, the precision molded cam lock function will ensure that your cartridges won't move around once they're in. The RAF Nexus grips are available in 30 and 36mm sizes, and we offer two versions. One that features a screw-on vice connection, and another that has a backstem connection with a plunger bar. Whichever version and size you choose, the RAF Nexus grips from Tassol are available in boxes of 10 units, and each grip comes EO sterilised. We also stock a range of RAF Nexus disposable tubes, which, like the grips, have been designed for a comfortable use and will also provide maximised ink flow and great needle support. These 30mm grips are made from a unique gel-like material, which absorbs the vibrations of your machine and makes them comfortable to hold during longer tattooing sessions. As you can see here, the Nexus grips are extended over the tip, which provides artists with more control by letting you get closer to the skin. The grips are also moulded directly onto the tube to prevent them from spinning during use. The tips of these disposable tubes are semi-transparent, meaning that you can keep an eye on the ink in the reservoir and check the ink flow while working. The smooth contours of the tips ensure that the needle will not snag when inserted, so you won't waste any needles or risk damaging the skin needlessly. These tips are also very thin and keep the distance between the needle and the skin to a minimum, allowing you to create incredibly precise body art. We offer RAF Nexus disposable tubes in 4 configurations: angled round, diamond, open magnum, and closed magnum. The tubes with angled round or diamond tips are available in sizes 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 14, while the open and closed magnum versions come in sizes 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. Tassol's RAF Nexus disposable tubes come in boxes of 15 units, with each tube individually packaged and EO sterilised. Whether you're looking for the RAF Nexus cartridge grips or disposable tubes, they are all available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the RAF Nexus grips and tubes from Tassol? Will you be picking up a box or two for yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.